Seth, what are you doing? You playing with your shopping cart? Today's July 23rd, 2009. This is Seth's playroom. We don't have anything on the walls yet, but we have a lot of stuff on the floor. This is in mid-afternoon, so it hasn't been cleaned up yet for the night. Hey, Seth. You have fun in here? Are you working hard?